Family, I'm at the airport. Time for my vacations. We get this luggage out. There we go. Oh, what the heck? Okay, here. And then let's close the door for some reason. There we go. Hey, before you go in, check if is there anything danger. Okay. Good, there are no. You can go through. Okay, thanks. Bye bye, officer. Yeah. What? This here. Family, I'm at the top. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. We are in the plane. Let's go get in. Damn, this is great. Let's play my phone. Why can't I play on the phone? That's sad. I guess I just gotta wait. Okay, so shoot it, just shoot it. You know how to shoot, right? You know how to shoot, right? Yeah. We are military trainings, bro. Okay, I'm just gonna shoot it. Oh, whoops, wrong button.
Engine 1, fire. Engine 2, fire. Engine 3, fire.
Engine 1 exploded. Oh, what? I'm so cook. What should I do? What the heck? Okay, what? Oh no, the pilot is broken. What should I do? How can I drive the plane? What's that noise? That was close. Oh, here is it. Oh, nice. Ouch. My leg broke. Wait, you hear some noise?